Hello everyone, welcome back to Sekhar's Lab, where we talk about freelancing, blogging, and making money online. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 5 biggest mistakes people make while setting up AdSense through Google Site Kit. You can see I had installed this Site Kit application, and trust me, one wrong step here can cost you approval, traffic, and earnings. So make sure you watch till the end to avoid these costly errors. Okay, so mistake number one, let me tell you, not verifying your site properly. You can see my ownership is verified. Okay, so many beginners install SiteKit like I have installed, you can see, but skip the full verification process. Just adding the plugin isn't enough. You need to make sure your domain is verified, you know. So how to verify your domain? You can add your property, add your domain name, like I'm going to verify this domain. So here we go, and so like this way you can verify your domain. Okay, so how to verify? You need to download this file and upload to this directory, root directory. Okay, don't remove the file even after verification succeeds. Another way you can verify, like HTML tag, Google Analytics, tag manager, and domain name provider. This way also you can verify your domain. All right, so ownership is confirmed under the same Google account you'll use for AdSense. Okay, if not, Google simply won't connect your site. So make sure use same domain account. Okay, so now you can see the property crash claim group I have added, and domain is verified. Ownership verification, you are a verified owner. Apart from that also you can verify these things. It's very important, not mandatory, but you should verify these things. All right. Okay, so second mistake is linking a different Google account. Okay, a lot of people accidentally connect SiteKit with a different Gmail, maybe your Google account, different Google account, YouTube or personal one, and then apply for AdSense with another. This creates confusion between accounts and causes approval delays. So always use the same Gmail ID for both SiteKit and AdSense to keep your data synced. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so connect Google Analytics as a part of your setup, checkbox, and sign with Google, same Google AdSense account. So this is my Google AdSense account. Continue, continue. Next, next. next, next. Now connect your Google Analytics account. Okay, so here we go, already connected. You can see, just need to complete setup. So we are done. You can see that. Okay, so this is very important. Always use the same Gmail ID for both SiteKit and AdSense to keep your data synced. Okay. Okay. The third mistake is skipping the AdSense code check. Even if you connect AdSense through SiteKit, let me show you. You can see these services are connected. Apart from that, also we have to connect AdSense and Tag Manager, which is required. Okay. So you must open your site. Open your site and view page source. Actually, sometimes the ad code doesn't auto insert properly. So you must open your site, right click view page source and confirm that ads by google.js code is present. So how to check that? You can press Ctrl plus U and check. So you can see there are no any code. Okay, so make sure code is inserted. Okay, if not, ads won't show even after approval. So make sure code is inserted. You can check through that code. Okay. And the fourth mistake is installing too many conflicting plugins. Plugins like insert headers and footers or other AdSense managers can conflict with SiteKit's auto ads feature. Okay. So stick with one plugin. Ideally, I will recommend SiteKit alone. Multiple ad injection, like tools can lead to duplicate tags, which violates AdSense policy. So make sure you use one and only plugin for the AdSense, like SiteKit. Okay. And the fifth mistake is ignoring performance and privacy settings. After connecting, uh, most people forget to check the page speed inside. You can see here it's connected, and also you can see the page inside. You can search in Google and copy the URL, analyze. So if your site loads slowly or has policy issues like cookies, content missing, AdSense might limit your ads or reduce fill rate. So optimize performance and ensure GDPR-friendly privacy compliance. Okay, so this is very important while you are applying for the AdSense approval. Okay, so you can see page insight here, mobile 62 and desktop 94. So it's the average. You can skip this step. Okay. So guys, those are the 5 big mistakes to avoid while setting up AdSense using Google Site Kit. Okay, avoid them and you will have a smooth approval process with higher earning potential. Okay, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want me to cover AdSense approval step by step in my next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.